everybody, this is Favored by Odin. I'm Theo, and today we're starting our new series on FreeCodeCamp.org, and we're working on the JavaScript algorithms and data structures today, and I'm super excited for this one. If this is your first time joining in, please hit that like and subscribe button and follow me for all the new updates, because I'm going to be doing lots of videos, and I'm going to be going through this entire FreeCodeCamp.org program daily. I'm going to be doing this every day, guys. And if you guys need anything from me, please reach out and talk to me. Let me know what it is you guys need from me to enjoy my videos better, or to keep this more relevant for you guys. So, all right. So now that we're on FreeCodeCamp.org, if you haven't signed up yet, feel free to go into the link in the description and you'll be able to come on here. It's completely free. There is no charges. There is no putting in your credit card or anything like that. Just go ahead, sign up. It's completely free, and you can learn to do all this stuff on your own. Be warned, this is a lot of work. So if you're going to start this, you got to stick it through, because otherwise it's not going to do anything for you. So we're going to do lesson 1, and that is how to comment in your JavaScript code. It's really important to be commenting in your code so that other people can understand your code, but more importantly, you don't lose your place or lose your understanding of what you're doing. Excuse me. Wow. So super important to keep comments in your code. There's 2 different types of comments that you can do. First, you've got your single line comment, which is just 2 slashes like this, and then you can write whatever you want, and the program will just ignore that. Next, you've got the / and then the times key. This is a multi-line code so that you can, do stuff like this, and then you do the times key and the / and it'll stop not recognizing. So I can put my code down here, right? Because that's going to read that code. And as you can see down here, as soon as I type that in, I got an error. So let's just delete that, and then let's see if my code passes. To see if your code passes, you can scroll down and hit the run test, or you can just hit Control and Enter, which is my preferred way to do it. It's just so much easier. All right, basic JavaScript, lesson number 2, declaring JavaScript variables. So a variable is essentially a box that you can put any type of data in, and there's 8 types of data points. There's undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, bigint, number, and object. If I'm not saying bigint right, this one over, where's my cursor? There it is. This one right here. Can you guys let me know in the comments? Because like I said, I'm learning, so let me know. There's also 3 types of variables in JavaScript. We're looking at var, which is a global variable that's very easily changed. Then you've got var, which is, let, which is basically only used in the scope, or only recognized within the scope of the declaration. And then third is const, which can never be changed. So, I didn't put const in here. So const would look like this. My var, and then that one will never be changed, right? So in this lesson, we are supposed to use the var keyword, which would be this one here. So we're going to end this here, and we're going to get a lot of errors because I just did something. That's the wrong way. So now we've got a little space here where I can do actual code. So line 15, we're going to create a var keyword that we use the var keyword to create a variable called my name. So this is really simple, guys. It's just var my name, and that's it. Right, semicolon, guys. Really important. Not so important in JavaScript, but they're trying to teach me to have good behaviors right from the start. Basic JavaScript, lesson number 3, storing values with the assignment operator, which is equals. So first of all, in this lesson, we've already got the variable declared. So you can see that right here, var 8, or sorry, var a. So you only want to change the code below this line here. In the last lesson, we learned how to declare a variable. Now we're going to learn how to assign a value to the variable. If you want to check the output of your code, you can always use the console.log function to print the output into your console. Example, console.log var. That would be that would return an undefined value because the var hasn't been assigned a value. So any variable that hasn't been assigned will return as undefined. So if we go here and we, I'm just gonna do this. Oh, wrong way. That, and we're gonna do this. Nope, wrong way. And we hit so we're going to get a syntax error, unexpected token. So we're going to take this out again and take this out again. Okay, so this will return undefined because var hasn't been assigned a value. I keep on hitting my microphone. Sorry for that noise. Maybe I need to find a different place for it. T. All right. To assign a value to a variable, we need to use the equal sign, which is the assignment key. So example, a equals 7. Now if we console log a, the console will return 7. We can change the variable's value depending on the way we declare the variable by simply using the equal sign again. So example, a equals 1. Now if we console log again, we'll get a value of 1. So our task today is to assign the value 7 to variable a. So a equals 7, semicolon. And that should be it. Control enter to get through, and control enter again to get through again. And that was lesson number 3, guys. On to lesson number 4. So in the last lesson, we learned how to assign a value to a variable using the using a number or a num. Today, we are going to declare the value of one variable to another variable. So at the very top here, you can see we've got the setup. So var a, this declares a as a variable with no value. And then we've got a equals 7. This assigns it the value of 7. Var b, this declares b as a variable with no value. And our task today is, or in this lesson, is to assign the contents of the a variable. I should really put a variable to the b variable. So very simple to do. We're just going to go b equals a, semicolon. Now let's check it out. Oh yeah, we passed. Good job, guys. Good job. Basic JavaScript, lesson number 5, initializing variables with the assignment operator. Basically, we need to declare and assign a variable at the same time, which is super easy to do. Not very difficult at all. You can see right here we've got an example of them doing it. Basically, we're saying we're going to declare a variable. The variable's name is going to be this. We are going to assign a value to that variable, and then we're going to end our code right there. So very simple. Our task today is to define a variable with the var and initialize it to the value of 9. So super easy. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Var a equals 9 semicolon. Oh, that's not a semicolon. Semicolon. And let's see if we win. We win. Good job, guys. So that is the end of our video for today. And I will be back tomorrow to do another 5 lessons with you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. I'm going to be watching that quite frequently, and I will try to get back to everybody. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy my content, please hit that like and subscribe. Not only does it help the channel, but it keeps you updated on all new videos. I'm really hoping that some of you guys kind of do this along with me, because it's a lot easier to stay committed to something if other people are doing the exact same thing that you are, and we can do it as a group. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Favored by Odin out. Our task today.
Jasmine, what are you doing, Jasmine? What are you doing, Jasmine? There you go, baby. Oh, there go, baby. There you go, baby. Oh no, here comes the other ones. Wah! I love my puppies.